Morning children. We are going to see the chapter today, geometry. Up to exercise 8.3 we have completed already. So next we are going to see about today simple closed shapes. Simple closed shapes. Okay, about this we are going to study today. See example. See now one point. Using one point and you are drawing and you are leaving in another point. Same. Any shapes. You are starting one point and you are leaving in one more point. Okay, see, this is not end. It's not completely closed. So like that shapes are called open shape. Okay, what is the shape name is open shape. Open shape. Now, a shape that begins one point and ends in the same point. See, ends in the same point. Now, ends in the same point is called closed shape. It is closed shape. Okay, it has to start and should end in the same point. It is closed shape. Okay, so simple closed shapes. So open shape means it won't be closed. Closed shape means it will be closed only. Okay. So now next we are going to see about polygons. Polygons. What is mean by polygons? Polygons means what? Polygons means what? What is mean by polygons? See, very simple children. A simple closed shapes made up of only line segments are called polygons. See, simple line segments. See, I am showing you pictures now. See here. Now, see here. See, this is all simple closed shapes. You may be identifying the shapes. See, what is the shape of this? See how many sides are there for this first. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally 6 sides are there. Okay, 6 sides are there. So it is called hexagon. It is called hexagon. Okay, it is called a hexagon. So totally 6 sides are there means it's called a hexagon shape. Okay, it is one called polygon. See, 6 line segments are there. 1, 2. I wrote the numbers also. See, however, whichever side, whatever side you need, you can count by that side. See now, next one more. This shape you see, it is totally how many sides are there, how many line segments are there, you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 sides are there. It is called pentagon. Penta means 5. Hexa means 6. Okay. So totally you have 6 sides. 6 sides means hexagon. 5 sides means pentagon. So it is called pentagon. Pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally there are 5 sides are there for pentagon. Okay. This shape everyone knows. What is the shape of this? Square. Okay. What is the shape of this? Square. What is the shape of this? A rectangle. Okay. So rectangle, square, rectangle, pentagon. What is the shape of this? What is the shape of this? Quadrilateral. What is the shape of this? Quadrilateral. Okay, I will write quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay. This shape, everyone knows this. What is the shape of this? triangle. What is the shape of this? Triangle. Okay. This, what is the shape of this? Parallelogram. The shape of this? Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay. So now this like that, closed shapes. All the shapes are closed shapes. See, it has four sides. Rectangle has four sides. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. Quadrilateral also four sides. Triangle has three sides. Pentagon has five sides. Hexagon has six sides. And parallelogram also has four sides. When you are adjusting a rectangle shape, you will get a parallelogram. Okay. Quadrilateral and square. See, all the shapes. This all is called polygons. Polygons means it is a closed shape. Okay, we can measure the sizes. We can take the values. Using a ruler, we can take a measurement. Using line segment only, we can draw this. Okay, line segment means we need to draw a line. Okay, we need to measure. We can use the ruler and you can measure the things. See, equilateral triangle. Triangle means three side also it will come a different value. Equilateral triangle means all the three side value also it will be equal. Okay, a rectangle is called opposite sides are equal. See, to length to breadth. See, to length to breadth. So length value will be equal, to breadth value will be equal. Square means four sides also are equal. Okay, hexagon means six sides also will be equal. For hexagon, six sides also will be equal. Okay, now take your mathematics book. Page number 133, you see, simple closed shapes made up of only line segments are called polygons. The line segments that form a polygon are called its sides. Yes or no? See, these line segments, for example, this pentagon I am taking, these line segments, okay, that form a polygon are called its sides. See, all it is completely closed shape it is. So a polygon is named according to the number of its sides. A polygon is named according to the number of its sides. The point at which two adjacent sides of a polygon meet is called vertex. Okay, the point at which two adjacent sides of a polygon meet is called vertex. Now see a triangle shape they gave you. Okay, which two? See, it's a triangle shape. Now the corner point. See, one more line and one more line, one more line. This is a starting point. Corner point, it's called vertex of this. Okay, vertex. So, a three-sided polygon is called a triangle. See, already I have shown you in the figure. Three sides, 1, 2, 3. There are three sides are there in the figure. So, it is called a triangle. Okay, next you see a five-sided polygon. A five-sided polygon is called pentagon. Already I have shown you the picture. See, five-sided polygon as pentagon. See, totally five side it has there. Next you see a four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. Already I told you. See, four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral. The four-side polygon is called a quadrilateral. Next you see hexagon. A six-sided polygon. Already I told you. Six-sided polygon is called a hexagon. Okay, hexagon. Okay, next. Do you know a septagon has 7 sides and an octagon has 8 sides? Okay, septa means 7, octa means 8. Okay, yes, I also know that a nonagon has 9 sides and a decagon has 10 sides. Still totally 10 sides they gave the names. Okay, septagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Okay, so till now you can read up to hexagon. Up to hexagon. They gave you for first and briefly that up to hexagon they gave. Okay, so now you know now triangle. A triangle is a simple closed shape made up of 3 line segments is called a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, namely A, B, C. See, a triangle has 3 sides, namely A, B, C. A, B, C, it is the name. So, A, B, B, C, C, A. A, B, B, C, C, A. And 3 vertices. This is called vertices. So how many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3. Line segments AB, BC, CA is the line segments. So vertices C, B, A. 3 points are there. So 3 vertices are there. A, B, C. Next 3 angles. See, this is one angle. This is one angle. This is one angle. This is one angle. So totally 3 angles are there. Okay, quadrilateral, same thing, quadrilateral, a simple closed shape made up of 4 line segments is called quadrilateral. Already I have shown you in the picture, children. So AB, BC, CD, DA. So these 4 is called line segments. A, B, C, D is vertices. 4 vertices are there. Okay, angles, 4 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. So there are 4 angles are there. Rectangle. A rectangle is a special type of quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal. All angles are right angles. Yes, all the 4 sides also it will be 90 degree. Exactly 90 degree this. Okay, all the 4 sides also you will see the rectangle 90 degree only. Opposite sides are equal. Already I told you. A square is a special type of quadrilateral in which all the 4 sides also is equal. All the 4 sides also will be equal. All the angles are right angles. Same for rectangle and square. Both also all the angles are 90 degree. Okay, so that's it. So exercise 8.4, all squares are also rectangles. Very important line, children, underline that. Okay, color the polygons in the following figure. Which is polygon? A closed shape is called a polygon. Okay, in this which are all the polygons are there? Check and color it. Okay, closed shape. A closed shape is called a polygons. If it is not closed means it is not a polygon. Okay, complete this first Roman number, children. Okay. Okay, your activity, you need to cut the shapes like this, however I have shown. Like this, you take a craft paper and cut it the shapes. What are the shapes? Triangle, pentagon, quadrilateral, hexagon, okay, square, rectangle. These 4 shapes, you need to cut it into craft paper and write about that some point. Okay, in activity note you need to complete, children. Okay, this is your maths activity of this week. Okay, any doubt you can ask me. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.